In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Slack. Reminders are a simple way to keep projects moving, nudge teammates at the right moment, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. We'll create a reminder using a workflow, so Slack automatically sends a message when a specific trigger occurs. Start by opening Slack and looking to the bottom left of your workspace. Click the plus icon, then select Workflow. This opens the Workflow Builder, where everything you set up will run automatically in the background. Think of it as the control room for your reminder. Next, choose the trigger, the event that tells Slack when to send your reminder. You have a few options here. A date-based trigger is great when you want a reminder to go out on a particular day and time, like ahead of a deadline. A webhook trigger works when another tool or system should kick off the reminder. For example, after a form is submitted or a process finishes. You can also trigger the reminder when something is updated, which is helpful if your reminder depends on a status change inside a tool that connects to Slack. Pick the option that best matches when you need the reminder to fire and set any details the trigger requires. Once your trigger is set, add the action. Choose Message. This is the content your teammates will see when the trigger happens. Compose a reminder that's clear and actionable. Keep it short but specific. Include what needs to be done, by whom, and by when. If timing matters, write the date and time plainly to avoid confusion. If there's supporting context, summarize it briefly so recipients don't have to hunt for details later. Before you finish, make sure to select the users who should receive this reminder. Choose the individuals who need to be in the loop, including yourself if you want the nudge too. The goal is to send it only to the people who can act on it, so it's helpful and never noisy. That's all. With the workflow saved, Slack will automatically send your message to the selected users exactly when your trigger occurs. You now have a reliable, hands-off reminder that keeps work moving without manual follow-ups. Use this same approach for deadlines, handoffs, status checks, or any moment when a timely nudge helps your team stay aligned.